A Jeep Momma product review. Lasfit all-weather floor mats. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Momma. And one of the first things Jeepers do when they purchase their first Jeep is they replace their carpeted floor mats with rubber mats. Back in 2013, that was my first accessory purchase for my Jeep. Recently, the company Lasfit reached out to me and asked if I would review their all-weather floor mats. They sent me the floor mats free of charge in exchange for a review. No other compensation except to you. Check out the discount code in the description below. The first thing I noticed when I received my package was the box. So I was pretty excited when the package arrived because look at this cool box. It comes with a handle, so it made for easy carrying into my apartment. Overall, the mats feel solid and aren't stiff and hard like other floor mats. They had a nice tread and the mats look Jeepy, if that is even a word. The tire tread ridges have a lot of depth to them, so they should hold all that dirt, mud, and snow grime pretty good. They're pretty flexible. These are my first thoughts as I look at them. They're supposed to be laser cut to form fit the Jeep, so we're gonna check that out. When the inner floor liners get filled with sand or dirt, or you spill something on them, it's quick and easy to clean up. So we're gonna test out how easy it is to clean these and pull them out. Oops, I spilled some ketchup on my floor mat. You just pop them out, and we're gonna pull it out. See, I spilled ketchup, and we're just gonna see how easy it is to rinse these out. I got a bucket of water, and you can use your hose, obviously. There you go. And if you get dirt and stuff in there, you can pull it out and just dump your dirt. So it seems pretty easy. As you pull them out to clean, be careful of the tabs in the hole inserts, and be careful popping them back in. So when I tried pushing it in, or maybe when I pulled it out, I kind of pushed the little teeth in, so I guess you got to kind of be careful. I don't know if you can see it here, but some of the teeth got pushed in. So I'm just taking a screwdriver and I'm pushing these back up. It's very malleable, so they come back up. Make sure you get this little hole directly on the post of the Jeep so you don't do what I did. They put a little note in here to not worry if the floor mats seem bended when you pull them out of the box, like I mentioned. They suggest you lay them flat in the sun. I let them sit in the sun for just a bit, then I installed them. I decided to let them settle in my Jeep for just a little over a week before I made any judgments. I really like the fact that the rear floor mat has trim pieces on the ends that you can tuck into the Jeep. The rear piece is also one long center piece which covers the center hump. In the rear, they did a good job at the laser fit. The rear mats also have ridges, which is good for me because I tend to throw my muddy boots or recovery gear on the back floor for later cleanup. The front floor mats fit well and lie flat. It also feels good at the gas pedal. I don't even notice it, which is a good thing when you're driving. I like how they're form-fitted with the Jeep contours. The edges on the sides of the mats aren't as high as my former mats, but they seem to flow better with the contour of the Jeep floor. The laser floor mats are definitely a must-have upgrade from the stock carpet mats. They look good and make cleanup easier. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Momma, head over to my blog at jeepmomma.com.